Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Little Blue Fly. If this is your first time visiting, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell. Select all to be notified when I post new videos. Today I am going to share how I created my own lemon tree. I spent quite a bit of time searching for a lemon tree that I liked. They were either too messy, looked bald of lemons, or just too costly. So I decided to make my own. I thought, how am I going to get the shape of a tree? Well, I am about to show you just that. So let's begin, shall we? We are going to be starting with this thrifted ornament tree that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace. I love all the little curly-whirly branches on it. So what I'm going to do is open it up and make sure to evenly place apart all the different branches. There. I will be using some ivy, 5 bundles of leaves that I purchased from Michael's, and some lemons from Kirkland's. And a few pieces of wire to help secure the branches. So we are going to start just by opening up the branches, and then we just tuck it on in. And I'm just going to continue with this process until I get it nice and full. Work with the third one. If any of you have these ornamental trees at home, and if you have some extra greenery, this is such a fun project to put together. It's just taking on the shape of a tree nicely. And then the little gold curly-whirlies coming out. Just a perfect touch. Absolutely, I'm loving this. Now I'm going to wrap the wire around the bottom to help secure the branches. I mean, I really don't think they're going anywhere, but just in case. So here we have it. It's all nice and fluffed up. And I'm going to add the lemons. One nice thing about these lemons is up at the top, it has this one really heavy wired branch that's bendable. And you just bend it and it will just hang on any branch. Absolutely genius. And now I'm just placing the lemons all around. Now we're going to start building the centerpiece. I use this kidney bean shaped basket that I purchased from a local florist, actually a local nursery. I'm going to add this tray inside the basket for some height, and the ivy on the outside of the basket. I will work it in. So first I'm going to place in the tree. Then I wrapped around the ivy some more on the outside of the basket. And I'm going to add this cluster of ivy, and it helps hide the bottom of the branches. And next, we're going to add some lavender, because lavender goes best with lemons. The lavender was purchased from TJ Maxx, and I placed it sideways. Perfect. Now I'm going to be adding these lemon placemats. I absolutely love the detail on the edges. And next, here is Miss Lily gathering lemons for the upcoming Easter party. And I placed 2 picks on both sides of her. And I added bird's nests on all 4 of the placemats.